Okay, let's create an empty here because I want to create some 3D objects on here that we're going to collect. Okay, so let me right click on this and choose create empty. It's called game object, and that's fine. Now I need an object that we're going to collect. So I'm going to create game object, 3D object, and just a cylinder. Probably gives any capsule. We go to capsule, a cylinder. There we go. And move that up. I'm going to resize it. There we go. Rotate it. Yeah, looks like the right way. What am I changing there? Control Z. I just can't see that yellow color. 90, no, 0. That would work. What's X? Okay, yeah, we'll go with the X. And let me make that a little bigger. There we go. Move it down. Okay. Now, create a material block. Right click down here. Click create material. And go over here and choose this under main maps, albedo. Choose blue. There we go. Back to my cylinder. Drop that material block on it. Okay, so under a mesh renderer here, and now we got it looking blue. Okay, now I'm gonna drop this, take this cylinder and drag it back into my assets here. And now drag and drop it back. Okay, so I'm gonna get rid of this cylinder. So right click on that, choose delete. This is now a prefab. So let me rename this as coin. So go over here to inspector and I'll call it coin. Okay. So now under my empty, this is where I want to create multiple coins. So I'll click add component, click new script, and game items. Okay, double click that. And I got my code up from the 2D Space Invader game if I need to refer to it. Public game object G. And I shouldn't call it G. G coin. There we go. Game items. Game object. Okay. I need a game object here. There we go. Okay, so let me save that and come back here and if I click my game object here, G coin is what it's wanting. That's a game object, so I can drag my actually I don't drag it. I can click the circle and choose the coin right there. Actually, I'd have to drag the coin from here and drop it on there if I wanted to. Okay, now this is the part I'm gonna have to look because I'm not quite sure about it. Let's see where this one's located at. Okay, my transform is position X, Y, Z. I wish I knew what this was up here. Come back on a yellow was a poor choice, but I think yellow going up and down is the Y. So we'll work with X and Z. Okay, so vector 3 position. And I'm going to say for maybe position X. For int x equals 0, x is less than or equal to 10, x equals x plus 0.05. Of course, it can't be an integer then. What if I put floats in here? Let me try float. Okay. So then, I want this position x. I want this to be just position. And position dot x is equal to x. Position dot y is equal to 0.7308. Position dot z is equal to negative 4.59. I need to instantiate, and I'm going to go steal the code because I don't remember it. Okay. Name a prefab. I guess that's what I call G coin. New vector 3. That's what I want, not vector 2. I do have to modify it slightly. And actually, since I'm using position here, let's use position right there. Okay. Use compound assignment. X is less than or equal to 10. Oh, they just wanted me to shorten it. Let's see if we're even close. Let's go to our camera and go up a ways. So I'll change my Y to be 10. I'll have it pointing down. Okay, that didn't look right. First off, it's not rotated. It's going off of my cylinder there, so it's 90. Oh, it isn't rotated. Okay. Back to steal my code some more. Well, we'll come back to the rotate part. Instantiate returns a game object. Game object G instant. G instant. Okay, G instant dot transform dot rotate vector 3, new vector 3, X, Y, and Z. 0, 0. Okay. Better. They're all upright now instead of lying flat. Still don't like how they're lined up though. Let's see, that's X, Y, Z. So if I rotate this 90 degrees, I think it should look better. Well, if I rotate around the Y, not the Z, that should look better, I believe. Okay, let me put more distance between them. so I can see what's in the world's going on. There we go. We still got our original one in the middle there, but that's more what I'm wanting to show. Okay. So kind of close together. Let's change that to 2. I'll eventually move this completely out of the way. Okay, that looks good. Now at this point, you can do different numbers to get it to go different ways. For example, this is where I'm having the x changing. This is going to continue while it's less than or equal to 10. So x is 10 at this point. Okay, so down here, okay, so I'm going to have my z change like this. And x I'm going to have remain at 10 because that's where this one left off. It's probably not going to look right to begin with. We'll have to do some playing with that. There we go. It's going in that direction there. There's quite a bit of a gap between where that left off. That's because I didn't continue where this z left off. Z was negative 4.59. So if I started z at negative 4.59, I'd have to, that'll be right on top of something. But then increase it by 2, then that should look better. There we go. Okay. Now our idea here is we're creating coins that our player is going to follow, and when it collides with them, it'll capture the coin. And in the process, we'll keep track of the score. So that's where we're headed with that. Okay. I'm not going to continue the coins, but you'd continue the coins for the pattern you're wanting to create.